In this section, INST Standard C2, Teaching, Learning, and Assessment, technology coaches assist teachers in using technology effectively for assessing student learning, differentiating instruction, and providing rigorous, relevant, and engaging learning experience for all students. I mastered standard in section 2A, coach teachers in and model design and the implementation of technology-enhanced learning experiences addressing content standards and student technology standards. In this section, I developed two key tools. One was the course overview, where I took a syllabus or developed a syllabus, but with very relevant content for the learner, easy to access and review. And also the white paper, which was very in-depth within the topic of distant learning. Identifying the importance of the QM rubric and how it establishes intent for growth, advancement, evaluation, and intensification of distant learning was very, very important. The research gave me the opportunity to view the rubric from a teacher's perspective. I learned that QM and OLC are the flagship tools for developing quality improvements in distant education. Another standard meeting tool, which I spoke of earlier, was the white paper. I had to identify, define, and discuss communication from the first startup to current models. And that, in a nutshell, is initially distant learning was through the postal service. Send out a letter and get feedback, or get assignments back. And then as time went on and theorists got involved, distant learning now is what it is with the 21st learning cycle. Still need improvements and still being tweaked, and theorists are constantly taking a look at the entire process. This was my first white paper, and it helped me develop problem-solving techniques dealing with generational learning. Also, this paper presented a knowledge base to help shape 21st century learners.